In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on your Instagram. So first of all, what you will need to do is open up your Instagram app. Once you do that, obviously you'll be on your main feed here. From here, what you need to do is head over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can now click on the three lines in the top right hand corner and then select the settings tab. Once you do that, you can now select the account tab, and then you'll need to scroll down until you find request verification. Click request verification, and then from here what you need to do is you need to put in some personal details and things like that. So obviously you'll need to put in your full name, and then once you click on documentation type, you have a couple of options here. So you have a driving license, passport, tax filing, recent utility bill, etc. So you need to choose which one you will need to send over to Instagram. So for example, you can click on driving license, then click on choose file, and then upload the picture of your driving license. Then to confirm notability, you need to go to category and select the category you are in. So for example, you could be a sports person or a professional footballer, etc. Click on sports, and then you'll need to select the country or region. So then you can go in and then you can search for a specific country. So for example, United Kingdom. Once you do that, you can put in your audience and also known as, and these parts are optional, so it's up to you whether you put them in or not. And then on the bottom, you will now need to link over other social media platforms that you have a following on. So you can put in, for example, a Facebook page, or you can put in a YouTube channel, whatever it may be. You can add the links and add the URLs to these social media websites. And then once you have entered in all this information, the submit button will be available to click. And then all you simply need to do is submit your form over to Instagram. If you are successful with your verification application, what it will do is you will then get the blue tick at the side of your username, and then your account will be verified.